Alright, man. Got some bait right now.
Let's see what you brought up.
Alright, let's see. Look at this. Woo. A decent amount.
Definitely a decent amount.
Look at that.
It's a good start for the day.
Oh, yeah. Let's go put them in. Nice size.
Yeah.
There we go. And your Fluke shootout. Captain right there. Got Matt. Jay. All right, man.
It's a beast. Yeah, you're taking a picture.
All right, cameraman's fishing and cameraman's recording right now. 2 hands, that's all I got. Whoa, he little keeper. Keeper, net.
Got it. It's close.
He just swung it. I forget about the net.
You got a net?
You're on. He's on too?
Grab a net. Grab a net.
Oh, okay, hold it. What's the net?
Where it always is.
Okay.
That's a nice fish.
Wow, he's head slapping like crazy.
Coming. All right.
I'm gonna bring him right to you.
Yeah.
Put him in the water. There you go.
You got it.
Nice fish.
Oh, easy does it. He's not too close.
He's not that big.
No. He's short. He's short, bro.
Oh, sure. All the short ones. They are fighting.
Same thing again. Teaser, eh? Teaser on the stern.
Once I saw that stop, I'm like, yeah, what? Nice.
Second one hit. Got a big boy up.
Yeah. That's good.
Right? Get you. Alright. Need a net?
Got the net right in.
Ooh, net. That's a net. That's really close. Storm right now in this competition. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna hit the Bay Area, see what happened there. Look at the storm on the background.